This is one of my cuckoo clocks I'm working on. It's got the music, but I don't have the music box working yet. Get the bird to come out. I don't have the back door on either. I gotta put that on to hear the chime. Let me come over here. I want to see how the bird operates. If the bellows lifts the bird when it's cuckooing. Okay, looks like it lifted it that time. But you kind of get an idea. Let me go around one more time. That's the time side moving as I'm moving the minute hand. See, the bird's set up now. It's armed, if you will. I have to adjust that lever that picks up the bird's tail. It's got to go higher so the bird will pivot more. But yep, that's the current one I'm on.